Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernard for the BTNHD, and today is all about getting started with Docker on Windows Server 2004. So let's get into it. All right, so Windows Server 2004 and Docker. Let's get right into it, right? So on the command prompt, I'm going to type in PowerShell, hit enter. And the first command that I'm going to run is the following. I'm going to do an install module with a parameter of name, Docker Microsoft Provider. MSFT stands for Microsoft, but it's abbreviated, with a parameter of repository, and I'm going to shoot PS gallery, and I'm going to do a force. Hit enter. It's going to ask you, do you want to import this? Definitely hit a capital Y for yes. Hit enter. Once you're done there, I'm going to run the following command. Install package with a parameter of name, Docker, another parameter of provider name, Docker Microsoft Provider. Again, MSFT stands for Microsoft. Hit enter. It's going to ask you another question. Do you want to install the software? You definitely want to install it. So hit Y for yes, hit enter, and you're done. Now we need to restart the machine, and we're going to shoot the following command: restart dash computer with a parameter of force, and hit enter. It's going to start restarting, and then you're back here. Give it some time because it needs to complete the installation of all the features and stuff that you install within Windows Server 2004. Once you're done, you're going to send a Control-Alt-Delete to unlock it, sign in, and then you're back here. Now, once you're here, you're going to type in Docker version. Okay, you can actually type in PowerShell to get into a PowerShell environment, or you can still do it within a command prompt. So if I type in Docker version, hit enter, you're going to see that you're running the latest version. Okay, now the next command that I ran was Docker images. Hit enter. I don't have anything within my repository, but we will download something shortly. Now, the next command that I like to run to make sure containers are installed within the Windows Server 2004 environment is the following. I ran a get Windows feature with a parameter of name, containers. When you hit enter, you're going to get the following. Awesome containers, name, and install state is installed. That is a good thing. So let's download an image. So I'm going to type in clear, hit enter to clear it out. And to download or pull an image, I'm going to run the following command. It's going to be Docker pull and the address where I want to pull this image. Now, this image is actually located within the Microsoft site, within their hub, and I'm specifying a particular tag of LTSC 2019. That is the type of image that I want to pull down to my repository. And once I hit enter, it's going to start downloading all the files that it needs. It's going to start extracting everything, and you're done. That's a good thing. Now, if you run the following command of Docker images, hit enter, you're going to see your new image within your repository. Awesome. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button. Also, do not forget about punching elbow and smashing that subscribe button to get the latest and greatest from this guy. And I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.